Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money quickly. How can you earn 25 to $50 a day plus more $50 a day just by sitting at your home. All you need to do just do some hard work when you go to order. The thing which I'm talking about today is freelancing, but there's some twist, so please keep watching this video till the end. And if you want to earn 500 to 1000 passively income, so just click on the description box. So I will give you my number one opportunity to make money online with Google AdSense, and you can just invest $5 into $60,000 per week with the given description link method. So just go ahead and rock the world. So in this video I'm going to talk about the new way to do freelancing. So let's get started. Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step way to do freelancing as an autopilot. You don't need to complete the orders yourself. You just need to do some investment like $5 to $10 and all the things are going great. So if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, so click on the subscribe button below, click on the bell notification, so that's why you always notified with my great value content that I put in regular basis. Now, how to make money quickly? Well, you need to just find a wider services on Fiverr. Okay, first of all you need to find a wider services. So how can you do that? It's probably very easy. What you need to do, just go to fiverr.com. Fiverr is a free website where you can start and doing some earn some cash. It's not some, but at the starting is known as like a some cash, like for 10 to $20 a day. But after that you're just going to explore the world, you're just going to rock the world, because it's a great platform for earning while selling your services. If you want to do by own freelancing, so what you need to do, just sell your services. For example, if you're expert in white print animation, so just go ahead, put your link, put your service here. People are coming, they ordering, and you will get money. So there are some popular categories which I watching right now, but on these categories competition are also increases, chances of losses are also increases. So what you need to do, just find some viral strategies, viral gigs. So we'll go to the social media. For example, I'm going to social media. Just write this social media and click on search button below. Here. Click on social media, and you can see there what the people are offering here and how much value is putting on the fiverr.com. So when you are searching social media, basically they're showing you very keywords right now. Now after the searching wider services, all you need to do, just find some sellers who are giving you the quality wig on low price. So first of all, let's cover me this, and then I will go to the sellers option available. Okay, now there are many guides available here. There's there are many categories right on the top. So if I click on graphic designs, there are graphic designs geeks, and if I click on that, so there are other. So you just need to explore and rock the world. And just in some case my internet connection doesn't work now right now, I don't know why, but it won't be. So what you need to just go to social media Fiverr. Okay, just write this keyword because of I am unable to explore the freelancer directly, so I just go on to Google and write this social media Fiverr, and there are many gigs available here. So you will see that social media marketing freelancer for hard online Fiverr. Okay, now there are some gigs. Basically this is the batch of pro seller, the people who are offering his or services on $1,000, on $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, how much they want to do. Okay, so there are some gigs. There are some basically Fiverr Pro gigs that Fiverr allows his users, freelancer. So basically you see that I will 10x your LinkedIn profile, grow your brand, and do some extra work. I will be social media managers. Open this fantastic gig here. Okay, now what you need to do is just put other people gigs on your account, grab some cheap freelancer who offering the same value, same thing to your clients in a cheaper. For example, let me calculate and do some also. For example, you go to order of $50. You got an order of $50, 50 USD dollars. So what you need to do, just go to the crash list or Facebook. Facebook is recommended because there are many cheap foreign or Asian freelancers. So go to Facebook and write freelancer, and then you have many multiple options available. So when, for example, you go to order of $50 on social media, on social cover, like Facebook cover. So you're just got $50 by spending only $5, because on freelancer there are many cheap freelancer who do a quality work on a cheap. For example, you're giving him her $10 or $50, $10 or $50 for one Facebook cover, and eventually you got a profit of, and after paying from your pocket $10 to $50, and after the completion of that you will earn like, and just minus this 50 from here, like you will earn $35 like by just spending $5, you will earn $35. So I think that that's not a bad deal, and if you multiply this, if you are able to get orders regular basis, so your earning will blow your mind. So try to explore some gigs, there are some popular gigs. Let me write for you that I analyze, like voiceovers artists. There are many people who are just need a voiceover for his or services, and animations, a whiteboard one, also 2D or 3D animations, 2D 3D, and then whiteboard, because now there are many competition on whiteboard, and a voiceovers, animation spokespersons, and they people are charging higher amount. If he's not a news seller, for example $45, so you can just offer this same thing on $60. So you try to play with your clients, or try to do a smart work, because smart work always wins. So you will see that there I will manage social media content creation. It's a verified account of $500 on first gig. I will be social media manager. So what these people doing, just people posting on your account, unlimited post, look, unlimited for 1 day in 6 platforms, unlimited for 7 days in 6 platforms. So there are people just posting. You can also do these services by on. You can also, yeah, posting on social media is not much more, I think so, no a bad thing. It's easy. Facebook cover, let me know, Facebook cover, people are offering Facebook cover. And eventually, if you want to create Facebook cover by on, so go to this website known as Canvas is a great website where you can create anything from template just by 2 to 5 clicks, and then you will be able to generate a unique design, copyrighted free, so you can easily create it for your client, create it for your friends, and anything you want to do. Okay, so you can also go to the flixprex.com for Facebook cover videos. So there are many opportunities. You need to utilize that, and then you can grab some handsome cash. So Canva.com, there are many things available here, and you can explore gigs for yourself. I just want to show you concept behind that you're just going to get a higher order, and then you can offer someone on a to a lower to then you can offer value from his her in a lower price, and then you can go to profit. This is all the autopilot. You just copy your clients requirements to your client, and then they are connected. Then you can just a middleman. When your freelancer did your work, do your work, you just give to your buyer. Then if your buyer is satisfied, then you can pay to your freelancer. So these things are revolving arounding. So this is the basic step. You just need to be a middleman. You just need to travel your services from here to there to here. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and believe me, if you are still working on that, if you have worked 2 to 3 months on this strategy, you will earn $1,000 per month every single month passively. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a comment below, subscribe this channel with bell notification. Goodbye and thank you for watching this video.
Everybody funkin', you know how